You up for this magic trick?
I think so.
Are you sure? It's like working with children and animals. I'll tell you right now. Or my wife. All right, I'm going to read your mind, and I'm going to blow your mind, and after we're done, I'm going to tell you how I did it. I'll share how I did it. Okay, now I want you to think of a name, any name. Don't tell me what it is. All right. What was the name you thought of?
Jim.
Jim. Any name in the world should come up with Jim, okay? Now, think of any number you can think of. Wait a minute, don't tell me. Let me
Still thinking.
Let me read your mind. I know I can't. You're locked in on something.
Okay, I'm there.
You locked in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What was the number?
14,000.
14,000 even. Correct?
Yes.
Is it right?
Yes.
Correct. Okay. Now I want you to think of a color. Any color. Any color at all.
Okay. Got it?
You locked in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What was the color?
Red.
Red. All right. That's where we're at. Okay, we'll get it a little easier. Think of a direction. Up or down?
Oh,
Well, just think about it.
okay.
Okay, got it. What was your direction?
Up.
Up. Okay. So there's what we got, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's see what we have here. Okay, let's see. What color was it you were thinking of?
Red.
It's red.
Really?
Okay, let's see what this one is. What number was it you were thinking of?
14,000. No. That's crazy.
All right. What direction was you thinking of when I asked you for the direction?
Up. I know how you did it.
What name did you ask for? What name did you come up with?
Jim.
Okay, since you're such a smarty pants, you're going to blow my little trick in my introduction to the whole other half of the video. You tell us, Mrs. Smarty Pants, how did I do it?
You didn't write them down in the same order that I answered them.
What do you mean? I don't understand what that means.
I'm thinking that you had a 50-50 shot with up. So when you asked me for a name, you wrote down up and wadded it up, and when asked me what the name was, and I said Jim. So then when you asked me for the number, then obviously I'm wrong because you're looking puzzled.
No, you're exactly right. Dang it! But I did manipulate.
Busted.
I did manipulate you a little bit, take a little credit. It was 50-50, but I willed you to say the word up.
Okay, yeah, because when you said direction, I was thinking north, south, east, or west.
Yeah, well, I narrowed it down to 50-50, up or down. But before we started, I used the word up towards you several times right before we started.
Oh.
I asked you if you're up for this. I asked you earlier if you're up for some fun and up for some magic tricks. And we come back in here and ask you, all right, you're up for it? Let's do it. All right, here we go. We're going up. And it was just planted in your mind. I don't know how strong that is, but I've heard that works, so I thought I'd try it.
It worked on me.
It could have been a 50-50.
Sorry I ruined your video.
Ruined my video. It was a neat damn trick. It was a neat damn trick. Did it fool anybody there? Did anybody get fooled? If so, please comment. Or the fact that I'm a big idiot. Either way. Thank you for ruining my life.